Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping back by. If this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome. My name is Melissa and I'm so glad that you came by to check out my video. Well guys, today I have an enormous haul for you. I'm pretty excited about this. There's so many cute things that I picked up from Dollar Tree and from Dollar General. And most of them are Christmas items, but there are some items that I got from Dollar Tree that are new to Dollar Tree. So let me start off first with the things that are not Christmas that I got from Dollar Tree. So some of the Dollar Tree stores are putting in, some of your bigger anchor stores are putting in what they consider a craft aisle. I don't know what they call it, but anyway, they have a ton of stuff. They have paint, they have wood craft items, they have all kind of different paint brushes and just everything you can think of. Storage containers for paints and clips. I don't know, just all kind of stuff. So anyway, some of the things that I found there, they have like wooden signs, whether they're, you know, arrows or a cross or a circle or an oval, something that you can use in your everyday decor. But I thought these were so cute. So the first thing that I picked up were these little, oh, what do you call them? I can't remember. I can't even remember what you call these. But they, you know, they're what you see in stores, that they have the pallets. That's what it is. But they're little mini pallets. They're so cute. And so I got 2 of those. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but they were so cute because there's so many. I love little mini things, but they're so cute. So I picked up 2 of those. Like I said, I don't know how I'm going to use it yet, but I'll figure it out. So something else that I found, and they actually have 2 different styles of them, but they have little crates, little wooden crates, and they're little, like they're really little, like maybe 3 inches by 5 inches, like the size of an index card maybe. But these have, you can see the slats or you can see the space in between each piece of wood, but they have a different one that's a little bit bigger. You can see it's a little bit bigger, but this one does not have a space between each slat of wood, so it's a little bit bigger, but the end has like the little handle like on a regular crate. Isn't that cute? And this one does not have a handle. It's just a crate. Okay, so they have those. I thought those were really cute. Then they have these trays, and they have 2 different styles that I've seen so far. They may have more styles, but these are just the 2 that I've seen. So the first one is just a little box with the handles on the end. So you could use this on a little girl's dresser, or one thing I think I may use it for is for when guests come. You can paint this in it, you can stain it because it's actually wood. You can stain it, you can paint it, but I think I may use this for small toiletry items. So when guests come to my house, I can set this out in case they forget toothpaste or shampoo or soap or anything like that. But the other style is this one, and I'll probably use this one for the toiletries thing because it's a little dressier. But it has the end where the handle is that's curved up a little bit, so it looks a little dressier. But I thought those are so cute. So I got actually 2 of those. One other little thing that I picked up that I'm going to use for Christmas, but I wanted to also tell you that they have not just this style. They have bird houses. They have little animals. Just, I mean, all kind of things. But they have this little train that I'm gonna do something with, paint, and maybe use it on my coffee bar or something like that. But the wheels, you can't really see it, but the wheels turn. Yeah, you can't really see it. But I thought this was so cute. And like, this is my hand, so it's not very big, but it would be perfect for a tier tray. Wherever you have tier trays, you have one in your bathroom or your coffee bar or just your kitchen counter. I thought this would be cute because it's a really good size. So moving on to Christmas, which is my favorite. The first thing I picked up were these packages of cupcake little cups, and they have two different styles or prints on them. This one's the candy cane, and this one's the Christmas tree. And they had this size, which is the standard size, but they also have the little mini size for little mini muffins or mini brownie bites or something like that. So I picked up two of those. They have a lot of different styles of this next item, but I picked up two different ones to show you my two favorites. So it is the oven mitt little kitchen towel and your pot holders. The pot holders, you actually get two pot holders, but I thought this was so cute because it has kind of like that weathered wood look, you know, and then it says dashing through the snow with your red truck. This is the oven mitt, so you can see that. It's so cute. And then the pot holders, and they're the same. I thought those were cute. And then the second one is just a little, the tea towel has little coffee cups on it for hot cocoa. The pot holders, similar print or same print actually, and then the oven mitt. Now, I have heard, I've not used these before, but I have heard that the oven mitts aren't exactly the thickest, so you kind of, they work, but you may not want to hold some really long, but they're really cute for decor. So I also picked up 3 sets of these ornaments because I'm going to actually do a DIY with them, and so I thought they were really cute. They're glittery and they're pretty big, so got these 3. And those were the only colors those came in. The next thing I picked up was this little pack of 4 of red truck with the little Christmas tree. And the Christmas tree is like that bottle brush. But I'm going to use these for Christmas gifts, to use on Christmas gifts. So this is what I'm going to use those for. But if you have a small Christmas tree, like a little mini Christmas tree, which I'm fixing to show you, Dollar Tree also, and I know you've seen these in years past because they carry these every year, but these little Dollar Tree trees. But anyway, I have seen that they are not, like, they're pretty wimpy. So I also bought 3 packages of the wired garland, and it's just strips of garland. So I'm actually going to use these to fill in the trees when I put them together. But I'm also going to use some of these as an easy, cute little Christmas decoration DIY thing. So there's that. I picked up a couple of these little shadow boxes. One says, what does it say? Believe in the magic of Christmas, and then let it snow. And I'm trying to see if there's a size on here. There's not really a size, but they're maybe like 5 by 5. So pretty good size. And then I also, if you have kids that love stickers, or you love to use stickers in your planner, they have cute sticker books. This one, and they had more, but these are the 3 that I picked up. And the little gingerbread. So that kind of, like, whatever's on the cover is kind of the theme of what's inside. But they're really cute. So I picked those up. And then I picked up these 2. They look like tags, home for the holidays. And it's the most wonderful time of the year. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave these the way it is. I mainly got it for the shape because I saw something in Hobby Lobby and Walmart that I may want to try to replicate with these, but I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. So, but anyway, for $2, if I mess it up, oh well, I'll use it for something else and I'll, redo it. So, I'm almost done, and I forgot to show you something that's not Christmas. I don't know, maybe they just carry it for Christmas, but anyway, so I also found these two they're plastic coffee cups. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and have a cup of cheer. I love coffee, so when I saw these, I had to get them. They also had this really cute tumbler with the red truck. Probably need to hand wash this just because I think that's probably paper inside. It's not inside the cup, but inside the lining. But I thought that was really cute. And then I love Santa buckle decor. And these are 4 little plastic drinking cups with the little Santa buckle. I think those are so cute. I think those are super holiday. And then I love these next things, and they have 3 styles of them, or 3 prints. They are little, you can put cookies or leftovers or whatever. If you make cookies, you can give these to your neighbor, or these are great for teacher gifts. Fill them with, baked goods, your holiday baked goods. This one says Santa's Cookies. I'm trying to keep that glare off of there. This one says Comfort and Joy. And then this one just says Merry Christmas. I'm trying to get the glare off. There we go. Aren't those cute? And this is actually a good size. So you can see this is my hand. But anyway, thought those were really cute. I forgot to show you something that they just started carrying at Dollar Tree. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not sure if this is just a holiday thing or if this is something that they're going to carry year round. But they have Cake Boss kits, baking kits. This one is a sports cake kit. And I'm trying to see what you get in it. You get, let's see, stainless steel cutters. You get a round cutter, a football cutter, a helmet cutter, a steel baseball mitt cutter, baseball bat cutter. Let's see. You get imprint mats, decorating tips, disposable icing bag, and then how-to instructions for 2 cakes. Isn't that really cute? And this is Cake Boss for $1. I mean, the tips and the cutters themselves are worth more than that, unless they're super flimsy. I haven't opened it yet, but for $1, that's really cute. And then they also have a 6-piece decorating tip set. And this is just the different tips for when you're icing. You're using an icing bag. So it doesn't really say what they are. Oh wait, no it does. I don't know if you can see that. So anyway, I thought that was cute for $1. They had a lot of different types of the kits. They had a flower one. I don't even remember what all they had, but they had about 8 or 9 different varieties of the kits. So for $1, I thought that was great. So moving on. Oh yeah, hold on. So I also from Dollar Tree got these picks, and I got several of this one, and it has the flocked looking pine cone, cotton, the little cranberries, and then the little sprigs of this. And then they had this one, which has the white berries, and they're coated with like a glitter, like a white clear glitter or whatever. This is the flocked pine cone, and then some more pine needles. So I thought that was cute. And what I actually had these in just now, because when I was putting everything out, I realized that this would look really cute together. But from Dollar General, this was $4. I got this adorable milk can. And it says Season's Greetings with the red truck. And it has a little plaid bow. But I thought that was so cute. I mean, it's not too big, but it's really cute. So when I was setting everything up, I just stuck all this in here. Of course, you have to, but isn't that cute? Put that one in there. Look how easy and how inexpensive that was. This was like less than $10 to make right here. Super easy. You would definitely pay more for that in a store like Kirkland's or something, Hobby Lobby. But I thought that milk can was so cute. So the last time I did a video that included Dollar General stuff, I showed you a kind of cookie jar looking item, and it says sprinkles, and I said there was another size, and I found the other size. So the sprinkles one looks just like this, but it's about this big, and it says sprinkles, and this one says pinch. Isn't that cute? And then I don't know what I'll use it for yet, but I don't know. It was too cute to pass up. Oh, and this was $3. Okay. The next item, I did see this. I had already picked up a bunch of ornaments, but I saw this one and I thought that was cute. Let it snow. And it's feels like wood. I think it's actually wood. And then it has the little tin galvanized metal scarf and rim around his hat. Okay, the next item is another coffee cup set. I'm going to be drinking coffee for days. And this is a little Christmas tree, and it says, all I want for Christmas is coffee. And this actually comes in a pack of 2, and it was $1. Great teacher gifts. Just saying. All right, and then I have 2 final items. I think that's the last 2. So I have 2 final items, and this is one, and it's a thick wood, so it stands up on its own. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. And this one was $3. Okay, and then the last one is Joy, Hope, Believe. I love this one, and this one was $3 as well. I love this one. This one would be so easy to make, but for $3, I mean, just go to Dollar General and buy it. But isn't that cute? But if you already have the stuff, like the little pieces of wood and the letters or the, ornaments, whatever, these letters, this is a galvanized metal looking Believe right here. But for $3, you can't beat that. So anyway, like I said, I had a lot of stuff that I got from Dollar Tree and Dollar General. So I hope you enjoyed it all. Let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite item. I actually think this was my favorite item. Once I put both of them together, well, I loved this when I first saw it, so I had to get it. Did I tell you the price of this? Yeah, $4. But I think this was probably my favorite. So in the comments below, tell me what your favorite thing was. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I really would appreciate it. And please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for this video. Every like is a step in the right direction. So I hope you enjoyed everything. And until next time, see you later. Bye.